Are you looking for the top 5 solar streetlights that actually work? Tested and compared. Which solar streetlight is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that, cutting through the hype to show you 5 real options that deliver on brightness, reliability, and value.
Product number 1, Tough Enough 2500 LM 3-head floodlight. First up is the Tough Enough Solar Outdoor Light, a 2-pack setup with 2500 lumens and 210 LED beads. At under $40, it's one of the more affordable options on this list, and what caught my eye were the 3 adjustable heads that let you aim light exactly where you need it. If you want solid motion-activated lighting for a driveway or backyard without spending a fortune, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 270-degree wide-angle coverage and 26-foot motion detection range mean it actually catches movement from multiple directions. Great if you've got a long walkway or uneven yard layout. The remote control adds convenience, letting you switch between strong sensor mode, dim standby, or constant bright night without climbing a ladder. Plus, with IP65 waterproofing, it holds up in rain and snow. Over 10,000 units sold in the past month suggests a lot of people are happy with the performance. Now, some people complained about inconsistent charging on cloudy days. Here's the thing though, the manual actually warns you to keep it off during heavy overcast for a few days to let the 2000 mAh battery fully recharge. It's not ideal if you live somewhere with long gray winters, but for most climates, it's manageable. Also, the plastic build feels a bit lightweight, so don't expect industrial durability. This is perfect for you if you need affordable, flexible outdoor lighting for a home driveway, fence, or pool area. Skip this one if you're in a region with frequent rain or need ultra-bright commercial.
Product number 2, CNOIJUTS 13000 LM 4-pack floodlight. Now, if the Tough Enough's lower brightness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The CNOIJUTS 4-pack delivers a massive 13,000 lumens, over 5 times brighter per unit, and comes with 528 LED beads per light. At $70 for 4, it's still budget-friendly per light, and it's built for bigger spaces like parking lots, large yards, or commercial areas. If you want serious illumination across a wide zone, this is the pack to consider. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 220-degree wide-angle spread lights up 100 to 300 square feet per unit, which means fewer lights needed for large areas. The dusk to dawn mode with adjustable brightness, 25% to 100%, gives you control without wasting power, and the motion sensor kicks from 30% to full brightness when someone walks by. The 6000 mAh battery and high-efficiency solar panel recharge in 6 to 8 hours of sun and run up to 12 hours, perfect for all-night coverage. Plus, the remote lets you set timers, 3, 4, or 5 hours before switching modes or shutting off. Now, some buyers mention the motion sensor can be overly sensitive, triggering from wind-blown branches or small animals. Here's the thing though, you can adjust placement and angle to reduce false alarms, and the dual motion modes, one with standby glow, one fully off until triggered, help tailor it to your environment. Also, while IP65 rated, a few users reported water seepage after heavy storms, so mounting under an eave helps. This is perfect for you if you're lighting a driveway, warehouse, or large backyard and want high output without wiring. Skip this.
Product number 3, Brighten IP66 Waterproof 2-pack. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for harsh weather. The Brighten solar streetlights come in a 2-pack, pump out strong brightness with 330 high-efficiency LEDs, and feature IP66 waterproofing, one step above the previous models. At $71, they're priced for durability, and they're built to handle extreme temps from -5 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. If you live somewhere with snow, heat waves, or constant rain, these are built to last. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The illumination covers up to 1,800 square feet, making them ideal for garages, entryways, or long driveways. The 3 smart modes include motion sensing, 30% to 100% brightness, timer settings, 2 to 8 hours, and manual brightness control, 25% to 100%, all adjustable via remote up to 20 feet away. The die-cast aluminum bracket and ABS frame add serious durability, and the solar panel charges reliably even in low light conditions. Now, some users complained the remote feels flimsy and the buttons aren't very responsive. Here's the thing though, once you set your preferred mode, you likely won't need the remote often, and the auto dusk to dawn function keeps things running without daily input. Also, at $71.99 for two, they're not the cheapest, but the build quality justifies the cost. This is perfect for you if you need weatherproof, reliable lighting for a garage, porch, or rural property. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need temporary lighting.
Product number 4, Loyoil 75,000 lumens commercial floodlight. Now, if you're looking for something that looks like it belongs on a real street, this next one's for you. The Loyoil solar streetlight isn't just bright, it's industrial grade, with a claimed 750,000 lumens, though real-world output is closer to 15,000 to 20,000 per unit. It uses 96 high-power 5054 LED beads with convex lenses that focus light up to 3,800 square feet. At $85, it's built for commercial use, parks, courts, or large driveways. If you want maximum visibility over a wide area, this is the powerhouse. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The convex lens design throws light farther and brighter than standard floodlights, reducing dark spots. The high conversion solar panel, over 25% efficiency, charges the large battery in 6 to 10 hours, and the built-in indicator shows charge levels, 20% to 100%, so you're never caught off guard. It runs dusk to dawn or on a timer, 3, 5, 8 hours, though it lacks a motion sensor mode, which might be a deal breaker for some. Now, some buyers were frustrated by the lack of motion detection. This light only has auto and timer modes. Here's the thing though, if you want constant, reliable lighting for security or public areas, motion sensors can be unreliable in windy conditions. This model trades motion for consistency, which is better for streets or parking lots. Also, the aluminum body is sturdy, but installation requires a pole or wall mount, which isn't included. This is perfect for you if you need commercial-level brightness for a yard, court, or rural road. Skip this one if you want motion-activated lighting or easy DIY setup. For pure illumination power, it's one. Product number 5, TFKK 6-pack dusk to dawn floodlights. Finally, if you're covering a large property and want consistency across multiple zones, the TFKK 6-pack is a smart choice. At $120, you get 6 lights with 6500K cool white LEDs, 5000 mAh batteries, and IP66 waterproofing. They're designed for dusk to dawn operation and come with 5 smart modes, including motion sensing, timers, and always on for short bursts. If you want full coverage without managing a dozen different lights, this pack delivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5 smart modes let you customize each light based on location. Use motion mode near doors, timer mode for pathways, or dim standby for ambient glow. The 6 to 8 hour charge time powers all night lighting, and the non-removable battery is sealed for longevity. Plus, they work in extreme temps from 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, so they'll survive winter and summer alike. Now, some users reported that the always-on mode only lasts 5 to 6 hours, not all night. Here's the thing though, that's actually by design to preserve battery life, and the manual recommends using it sparingly. For regular use, dusk to dawn or motion modes are more efficient. Also, at nearly $20 per light, they're pricier than some 4-packs, but the quantity and features justify it. This is perfect for you if you're lighting a large yard, farm, or commercial space and want uniform, reliable coverage. Skip this one if you only need 1 or 2 lights or are on a tight budget. For bulk lighting.
So which one should you pick? The Tough Enough is great for tight budgets and small yards. The CNOIJUTS 4-pack offers the best brightness per dollar for large areas. The Deep wins for weather resistance. The Loyoil is the powerhouse for commercial use, and the TFFK 6-pack is ideal for full property coverage. Each has strengths. Pick based on your space, climate, and lighting needs.